Welcome back, Instagram enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a simple yet crucial topic: how to disable those pesky security alerts on Instagram when using it on your PC. Let's get right into it. First things first, open up Instagram.com in your web browser. Once you're in, head over to the left down corner and click on your profile. Next, look for the gear icon. Click on it to access your settings and privacy options. Now, within the settings and privacy menu, locate and click on See More in the Account Center section. This will take you to a deeper dive into your account settings. From there, select Password and Security. Within the Password and Security section, navigate to the Login Alerts tab. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your connected accounts. Find your account and proceed to disable the in-app notifications specifically for login alerts. And there you have it, a straightforward way to put a stop to those security alerts on your Instagram account accessed via PC. By following these quick steps, you'll be able to customize your notification preferences and enjoy a smoother Instagram experience without those constant interruptions.